Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Klaviyo for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Create a free account on Klaviyo's website to begin your email marketing journey. Follow the onboarding steps to connect your e-commerce platform, if applicable, and set up your business profile, including branding elements like your logo. Go to the Klaviyo website and sign up for a free account. Fill in your business details and connect your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce, if applicable. Let's discuss on how to use it first. Lists and Segments tab, click Create List. Name it descriptively, for example, newsletter subscribers. Import contacts through a CSV file or manually add them. Ensure that all contacts have opted in to comply with regulations. Next, click Create Segment in the Lists and Segments section. Define criteria based on customer behavior, such as purchased in the last 30 days. Segments automatically update as contacts meet or no longer meet your defined criteria, ensuring your audience remains relevant. In your Klaviyo dashboard, go to the Email Templates section found in the main menu. Click on Create Template to start designing a new email. Klaviyo offers a variety of pre-built templates that you can customize. Choose one that fits your campaign needs. For example, promotional or newsletter. From your Klaviyo dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab in the main menu. Hit the Create Campaign button to start the process. Enter the campaign name, date, and time, select your audience, and click Next. Then, enter the subject line and choose your template. Analyze performance. Use Klaviyo's analytics dashboard to track open rates, click rates, and conversions. Experiment with different subject lines, content, and send times to see what works best for your audience. Klaviyo offers a free plan that allows users to manage up to 250 contacts and send up to 500 emails per month, providing access to basic email marketing tools, automation, email templates, and reporting. For those needing more features, paid plans start at around $20 per month for up to 500 contacts, approximately $30 for up to 1,000 contacts, and around $50 for up to 2,500 contacts. Pricing increases based on the total number of contacts in your account, including unsubscribed contacts. This structure allows beginners to start with the free plan and scale as their email marketing needs grow. I hope in this video make easy for beginner. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.